Works receiving confirmed scan complete on Tie 6L 4V shipment.
Affirmative, all sheets logged in the traceability system.
Certifications on the aluminum are confirmed.
And the moisture is within tolerance. We are clear for staging.
The XRF results are clear. The titanium composition is certified.
Excellent. The hardness test on the 7075 also passed specifications.
We have confirmation on the bulkhead position.
Running the laser check now. Looks good, within tolerance.
Inspection complete on row 42. Confirmed and logged.
Torque reading is complete on section 4.
Documented. Ensure the firewall clearance is exact before the final seal.
Pitch is drifting 0.015. Adjusting yaw slowly.
Confirmed alignment. We are within tolerance. Lock it down.
The manometer shows we're at 55 psi and stable.
Still showing a slight deviation at the forward penetration point. Apply the solution.
Check the flushness on bay 4.
Looks good, logging the straight edge results.
Alignment confirmed within tolerance. Initiating torque.
Torque sequence complete. Value is green.
Lookers. Technicians install the aileron control surfaces using precision hinge mechanisms and specialized bearings.
How are the measurements on the spar?
Within tolerance. The rivets are holding steady. Check the limits on the trim tab.
Smooth travel, within specs.
Data matches the schematic.
Okay, easy now. Bring it down 5 more millimeters.
5 millimeters, copy.
Tensiometer reads 600 pounds, right on spec.
Did you verify the torque on those fasteners?
Yes, all green.
But the gap here seems wide.
We have to account for the elastomeric bushings.
Okay, lower it 5 more centimeters. Watch the clearance on the left side. Torque wrench engaged, setting to 300.
The U-2's distinctive bicycle landing gear with main gear fore and aft requires precise installation using massive pins and high torque wrenches.
Pressure holding steady at 3,000 psi. No fluctuations detected.
Landing gear cycling complete. Reservoir level is good. No seepage noted on the actuators.
Keep the overlap consistent. We're looking for a 4 mil thickness here.
Roger that, holding steady. Humidity is stable.
Ensure the no-step stencil alignment is precise.
Checked and verified, the gloss level meets specifications.
Flight controls check good. Verify hydraulic pressure.
Pressure stable, cycling the gear now.
Engine rotation nominal.
All right, the pitted covers are off and the surface looks clean.
Confirmed. Weight and balance calculations are finalized. We are green for launch.